让我们欢迎
AGM is Priska Lim from Singapore. Priska Lim, AGM from Singapore.
Entities, AGMs, and business partners. I'm very proud to be promoted to Area General Manager in December 2020 after 2.5 years journey at NEFU. I would like to thank NEFU for manufacturing such high technology product, which enable me to help others gain back their health simply by using high density of negative ions. Thank you to Teng Sang Mei Success Team for the series of education and training. Thanks to my introducer, Jennifer and Angela AGM, for sharing this product knowledge with me. I met my introducer, Jennifer and Angela AGM at a stranger market during a networking event. I was invited to come to NEFU office on 1st June 2018 for the testimony sharing. Before that, I heard about negative ion products from my aunties and my friends, but was not interested as my perception of the products were for old people with lots of pain. After listening to the positive testimony sharing, I was surprised to know that the full set of products were very expensive, that I wanted to run away from the meeting room. Upon thinking further, I realized that I would have left the money in the bank. My interest would only be about $50 a year. Why not invest the money on myself, since my work in the financial industry was so stressful and it was affecting my health? I consoled myself saying that even if the products didn't work for me, I still have clothes to wear. I decided on that day to take the leap of faith to buy the products to try, as I was suffering from insomnia for 2 years due to work stress. After using full set of high density of negative ion clothing and blanket from head to toe, I could sleep very soundly the first night and didn't need to take any supplement to sleep from that day onwards. Upon encouragement from my team, I decided to join the Taiwan learning trip from 13 to the 17 July 2018. I learned so much from this trip as many good testimonies were shared at this global conference. Upon returning to Singapore, I decided to share with my relatives and friends first. Within 3 months, I managed to rise to the rank of area manager as well as achieve Taiwan dollars 1.5 million award. On September 2018, I resigned from my job and decided to do NEFU full-time from November 2018. I was very happy that during my journey, I have helped many people along the way, including elderly church friend suffering from eczema for 3 years, recovered in 3 months by using our products and blanket. A friend suffering from multiple cancer who was skeptical at first, but decided to trust me and managed to maintain his health. I've also helped a dog recover from itchy and irritating skin conditions just by using the sample blanket and tailored clothes for dogs. Coming from a corporate background, life as an entrepreneur was not easy. I'm very fortunate to have Teng Sang Mei Success Team for the series of education and training in Singapore and in Taiwan. I attended the leadership training and I've learned so much from product knowledge, sponsoring, communication skills, objection handling, co-market, and how to dress for success. Thanks to my introducer, Jennifer and Angela AGM, for their guidance and patience. Nothing beats on-the-job training. I learned so much from them when I bring my prospects to the office, from sharing their experiences and also how to share products and closing. I'm also grateful for the opportunity to be a host in our Singapore OPP events. It really helped me to build my confidence on stage and public speaking. I also learned that how we present ourselves at the OPP is very important because we will be helping our business partners to close their prospects. Just remember, life is a passing journey, and we must be open-hearted and open-minded to help others. For me, it means helping others first, and the rewards will come later. Don't be discouraged by rejections, because it means that more yes are coming. Be grateful and thankful for every day upon waking up. Say positive affirmation to yourself and ask yourself who you can help today. Keep working on your goals and desire and believing in yourself. Don't give up